Hi, hello, this is Vamsi. Our next video is about practical use and implementation or code explanation related cloud partitioner only. In this implementation or cloud explanation, we can see in this video, uh, our faculty advisor is Victor Govindaswamy. Our university is Concordia University from Chicago. Practical cloud deployments in action. Using deployment models in practical settings. Implementation with open source tools and AWS illustrates the difference between management models included or real-time configuration infrastructure instructions. Pay attention to automation and scalability. Employs infrastructure as code and manual methods. Public cloud example AWS EC2 instance. Open the AWS console, navigate to EC2 and then launch the instance. Select AMI Amazon Linux 2 for example. Choose the type of instance T2 micro. Set up the security and networking groups. Launches SSH and establishes a connection. Instantaneous scalable computing power is offered via public cloud. Private cloud examples using OpenStack. Uh, Installing OpenStack on internal servers is the next step. Set up the network storage and computing nodes. Internally manage resources, users, and security. Connect to identity management software. Provides a private data centers experiences similar to that of cloud. Beneficial for companies that prioritize compliance. Hybrid cloud examples AWS plus on prem. Use direct connects to link on premises servers to AWS. For public workloads and backups, use S3. Keep private information on site. Turn on these storage gateway synchronization features. Guarantees cost saving and business connectivity continuity. Prevalent in large scale IT and financial settings. Hybrid settings. Hybrid example workflow. A private data center is a safe location to store important data. Front end or analytics workloads are hosted on the public cloud. Direct connect or a secure VPN link. Workload shifting that is automated according to demand enhances the flexibility and decreases downtime, makes disaster recovery setup easier. Community cloud example implementations. Infrastructure that is shared by a similar organization. Role based authentication limits access, either jointly managed or by a third party. Facility the sharing of data across organizations utilized in the field of education, research, and government lowers the overall cost for each participant. Deployment automation with AWS CLI. Provisioning of cloud resources is automated, maintains repeatability, and minimizes manual labor. Facilitates DevOps processes, integrates with the shutdown and scaling scripts, improves security by implementing it consistently, works with several AWS accounts, infrastructure as code, IL, IAC tools, APS Cloud Formation, Terraform, and Plumi. Resource configuration using declarative configuration, version controlled modification to the infrastructure, minimizes human error and configuration drift, permits multi-cloud and hybrid deployment, supports pipelines for continuous delivery, monitoring and management tools and participant practices. AWS CloudWatch is responsible for gathering and monitoring metrics, resources configuration or auditing by AWS configuration. CloudTrail keeps an eye on API activities for consistent visibility. Use dashboards, set alerts for excessive use of resources, automate the process of responding to issues. Summary: choose the right model: public, cost effective and scalable; private, high control, compliance and security; hybrid, best of both worlds; community, shared governance and cost; analyze need before selecting a model; align with business, budget and compliance goals. Thank you. Thank you, guys.